Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're grilling up some barbecue Pit Boys Firecracker Dogs at the pit, and it's real easy to do. All right, let me show you how to get this done. Now, you want to choose yourself a good hot dog for this recipe. Here I'm using a natural all-beef hot dog with no hormones or antibiotics, artificial flavors or color. Use the best hot dog you can afford. It's well worth it. Oh, yeah. What we're doing is we're cutting tentacles, thin slices of dog using the knife here, right? And tentacles like a squid, maybe, all right? Do a bunch of them, just like that. All right. Now we're going to slice it on the other side. Now, carefully, we don't want to go through the entire dog. We want to leave the center of the dog intact. This will hold everything together, obviously, right? All right. So we do those slices just like that. Now, if you've never had one of our Firecracker hot dogs before, you definitely got to check it out. And you're going to probably make a bunch of these because they're going to go real fast, all right? And you better be careful, Aunt, because you're going to be heading right for that barbecue in a minute. Now, here we're going to brush on some sauce, and we're going to use some hot sauce. After all, these are Firecracker dogs. Choose your favorite hot sauce, of course. We're going to be eating good tonight, Martha. Woo! Now, why are we doing it this way? Well, for most, with a hot dog, the best part of it from the grill is the char. Right? Is that crispy, salty char that occurs on the outside of a dog. Oh, man. I know you know what I'm talking about. So by doing this, using this method, we're going to char the inside of this dog too before it's finished on the grill. Got it? Oh, man. This is going to be good. Again, throw some of that sauce all inside. That sugar base will help bring on more of that char. Oh. Now I'm placing these hot dogs on a medium heat. We don't want to cook them too fast. All right? We don't want to blow them apart. And we're somewhat indirect. This way you maintain a lot of control on this hot dog. Oh, man. Are you kidding me? Woo. This won't take long to cook, depending upon what kind of hot dog you're using. All right, a few minutes have gone by. You can see that char is building, and those hot dog tentacles are pulling apart. Oh, are you kidding? Lord have mercy. Paint some more of that hot sauce on there. I'll tell you what, the kids will be standing in line if you're doing this at your backyard picnic for family and friends or the tailgate. Just keep making them. All right. I say these dogs are done. Take a look at that. There's going to be a snap and that crispy, salty char in every bite. Now, we're just going to toast up some buns. And get them just the way you like it. We like to toast them well, all right? And that's the way they should be. Oh, man. There's not much more to say about this. It's totally visual, right? And can you smell that? It smells good. Thank you, YouTube, for smell-o-vision. There's an app you can download now. All right. Now you can set these firecracker dogs up the way you want. Use whatever condiment you like. Here we're going to use some cheese. We're going to spread it on now. It'll melt as we're preparing these dogs. Yeah. And of course, some more hot sauce. That's optional. But it is a firecracker dog. Go for it. And here we have some diced tomatoes, diced onions, diced jalapeno peppers. It's a salsa in a way. Use your favorite relish. But this works good for your firecracker dogs. Let's get yourself some salsa. You getting hungry or what? And if you're not, you're on the wrong damn channel. All right. Now, as always, we do apologize, BBQ Pit Boys, for eating in front of you like this, but we call this Pitmaster privilege. Woo. Oh. Like I said, if you want to kick your hot dog up next time, you definitely got to check this out. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.